kids! Today we are going to draw a dinosaur. It will be a T-Rex. First, start with a big head and some large, sharp teeth. Here's a fun fact about the T-Rex. Its teeth were about the size of bananas. Oh, nice! Well, don't forget to draw the tiny arms. Oh, they are so tiny. Their back legs were much bigger and stronger, and the tail helped balance the front of its body. And don't forget about coloring. I used green, gray, and blue. But you can color your dinosaur any way you like. Well done. See you next time. Let's color it.